Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Coach Dee, and welcome to the channel. Here we're going to be diving into everything from lead generation to the marketing tools for solopreneurs just like you. So if you're a solopreneur in your business and you're juggling all the hats, you got to do some of everything. And if you're trying to figure out how to get more leads and sales that turn into returning customers, that want to buy your products and services over and over again. And you want to do that without bugging your friends and family to always patron your business, because you know how that goes, right? And you want to do it with all the technical mumbo jumbo, right? Without all that jargon. Well, guess what? You were in the right spot. I've built both a online business and a local business using digital marketing. And I'm gonna tell you, man, it was a rough ride. I had to learn it the hard way. I wasted a lot of time, spent a lot of money chasing the wrong things. So now I help solopreneurs just like you be able to excel in your business using different tactics in digital marketing without all of that pain that I had to go through. So you can skip the struggle and finally work smarter, not harder. And on this channel, I break down how you can generate leads in your business no matter what industry you're in. I'll be showing you the easy website tools that I use to be able to generate leads into your business using simple websites and funnels that allow you to automate key parts of your business. I mean, let's be real. Who wants to be a slave to their business 24/7? So that's why I'm going to be walking you through some of the smart tools like HBA, better known as the Home Business Academy. We'll be using tools like Aweber, Live Pigeon, so that way you can get your video marketing on. And one of my favorite, Marketing Boost, so we can get into some incentive marketing. And we're going to do this without all the technical overwhelm. So if you're serious about growing your business, no matter if it's a local service business like a mechanic or a contractor, or if it's an online business like a network marketer, affiliate marketer, or a coach, it doesn't matter. I've got you covered. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and put down in the comments, let me know what industry you're in so I can make sure that I put out some content that is specifically relevant to you. So 2 things, hit the subscribe button, put down in the comments, let me know what industry you're in. Because at the end of the day, I'm here to serve solopreneurs just like you. So you already know what we're gonna do, baby. Let's get ready to take this ride to the top. All right, I'll see you on the next one.